What are the Gaeltacht regions? Have you ever wondered where the heart of the Irish language beats strongest? The answer lies in the Gaeltacht regions. These are special areas in Ireland where the Irish language, known as Gaeilge, is spoken as the main language of the community. The Irish government has officially recognized these regions to help preserve and promote the Irish language and its rich cultural traditions. The Gaeltacht areas are spread across several counties, including Donegal in the northwest, Galway in the west, Kerry in the southwest, and also Mayo, Cork, and Waterford. Each of these regions has its own unique charm. For instance, Donegal boasts rugged coastlines, while Galway features scenic villages and beautiful islands. Since 1926, the government has given these regions special status to protect the Irish language. This initiative helps maintain the vibrant heritage of Irish traditions, music, folklore, and arts. In the Gaeltacht, Irish is not just a subject in schools, it is a living language spoken in homes and local businesses. This makes these areas perfect for travelers who wish to experience authentic Irish language culture. Visiting the Gaeltacht regions offers a unique chance to immerse yourself in Ireland's linguistic heritage. You can hike scenic trails like the Donegal Way in Kerry, which showcases stunning landscapes. Traditional music sessions are common, allowing you to enjoy the lively sounds of Irish culture. You can also explore ancient sites, such as fairy forts, which are steeped in local folklore. Engaging with the local communities is a highlight of visiting the Gaeltacht. Here, you will find people who are passionate about keeping the language and customs alive. Many Gaeltacht areas host Irish language colleges and cultural centers. For example, Acadam na Coastlines Gaeilge in Galway offers opportunities for travelers to learn or practice Irish. In the Gaeltacht regions, you will find living communities that speak Irish daily. This creates a vibrant atmosphere where you can truly connect with the language and traditions of Ireland. Whether you are hiking, attending music sessions, or simply chatting with locals, the Gaeltacht offers a distinctive experience that showcases the beauty of Irish language culture.